we've seen.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a little bit of a different one today as I'm in a friend's garden. Again, it's been a strange old month here. The weather has been up and down, up and down. We had Storm Henry over the Easter weekend, but that didn't actually give us a lot of rain here in the Murcia region. I think down in Andalusia they had a bit more, but we're still basically in a dust bowl. After Storm Henry, we had a Kalima, a dust storm that lasted, again, another 4 days. So on the bird front, it's been very, very hard, and I think it delayed a lot of the summer migrants from travelling for a couple of weeks. But now the bee eaters have arrived. I've seen a couple of rollers, but we still no golden orioles yet. During Storm Henry, which lasted 10 days of quite strong winds, we didn't get any rain, but I went out and about looking for the black-bellied sandgrouse, and I thought I'd seen them fly over me one evening, but it was just a fleeting glimpse. But I just had this idea to go back and have a look, and luckily I found them sheltering in a field. I didn't actually spot the sandgrouse to start with. I was actually watching the stone curlew before I'd seen the sandgrouse. They just literally came into view, so to speak. Yeah, 2 years of chasing the black-bellied sandgrouse has been. I've got a couple of photographs and a little bit of video, so I am so chuffed. You know, that's my top 3 here now: the black vulture, the little bustard, and now the black-bellied sandgrouse. The black-eared wheat ear was another strange one to see here. Never seen one of those before, so managed to just one day at the start of Storm Henry, I see 2 males. Finding 2 breeding pairs of shell ducks on irrigation ponds was quite an eye-opener for me. Normally you'd expect to find shell ducks in the estuary, but I guess they're coming inland, and one pair take over a irrigation pond. The first pond, which is out in the middle of nowhere, had 16 ducklings, and within 3 days they were down to 6 ducklings. I went back on the 4th day and I saw a pair of short-toed eagles, both flying away with a duckling each. That they were wiped out, but that's nature. The other pair are next to quite a busy road, so I'm guessing the short-toed eagles don't want to hunt next to humans and next to the main road, so looks like this pair might actually bring up their 6 ducklings there. My favourite, the bee eaters, have arrived now. I have a couple of places that I can be lucky enough to see them some days, and as you'll see in these few photographs, I've managed to catch a few bee eaters now. They've only been here a week, and already people are getting bored of me taking photographs of them. I'm quite pleased with the bee eaters. It's an unusual shot that you're seeing now from being underneath. I don't normally like taking birds on a wire, but you have to take the shots wherever you can, you know. So, you know, it's either a bird on a stick or a bird on a wire, because I can't really do the birds in flight. Seeing the male marsh harrier was quite good. I've not seen them too many times here. Usually you can spot the females, but seeing the male marsh harrier and catching actually this picture you're seeing now in flight was pretty amazing for me, because I can't normally take birds in flight very well. I was going to do this talkie actually in the car and show you the beanbag and how I'm using it, but everybody's seen how to take a photograph out of the car, so I thought this was a nice place to sit. I'm not sure if you can hear all the chickens in the background, but this is like very windy now. Yeah, you can hear the chickens in the background, the cockerels. They don't get up early here. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.